IT asset management has always been about cost and risk, but with rapid expansion of today's software assets in the cloud, managing that cost and risk has become more complex. With over 50% of application workloads in the cloud and pay-as-you-go software costing up to 6 times more than bring your own licensing, optimizing cloud software has never been more critical. Flexera has created cloud license management to help you optimize your cloud software cost. This solution closes the visibility gap in hosted software on the cloud, helping you save money while ensuring license compliance. Let's take a look at how cloud license management works.
Flexera's Cloud License Management pulls cloud software data from your cloud bill. Unlike traditional FinOps tools, it separates the software license costs from the infrastructure costs to provide visibility into license spend by manufacturer, provider, and cost center. Here we can see the total cloud spend broken down between AWS and Azure, with software costs separated from infrastructure costs. What's truly powerful is that Flexera automatically identifies potential savings. In this example, we've identified over $425,000 in potential savings in the last 30 days by optimizing our licensing strategy. Let's click on the By Product tab to explore further. Here, we can see the software spend pie chart by product breakdown, where the Windows Server represents over 46% of software spend by product. Notice the different Microsoft SQL versions displayed: SQL Server Enterprise, SQL Server Standard, SQL Azure, and SQL Server Web. Scrolling down to the Databases section shows that SQL Server software has a potential savings of $230,000. Let's analyze this further by right-clicking and selecting to access the SQL Server overview. We get a comprehensive view of our multi-cloud spending between AWS and Azure. We see we're spending $1.42 million on SQL Server, with approximately $747,000 on software spend alone. We can see precisely where our savings opportunities are. SQL Server in AWS has the potential savings of $16,000 and almost $215,000 from Azure. On the Licenses tab, we can see our complete license position. We have 289 Bring Your Own License entitlement available from IT Asset Management, of which we're only consuming 48, leaving a balance of 241 licenses that could be applied to pay-as-you-go instances. Flexera has identified 188 pay-as-you-go instances eligible for conversion to Bring Your Own License. We can immediately realize significant savings without additional license purchases by applying our available licenses to these instances. By combining Flexera IT asset management data and your cloud bill, we can ensure you stay in license compliance. If our consumed entitlements exceed our available entitlements, we'd be out of compliance and at risk during a vendor audit. Now, at the resource level, we can see precisely which instances to target first for the most significant impact. This resource list shows all our SQL Server instances across Azure and AWS. Please take a look at these Azure SQL Server Enterprise instances. Each one costs $18 with 12 vCPUs. We can achieve substantial savings almost immediately by converting just a few of these high-cost instances from pay-as-you-go to Bring Your Own License.
Flexera clearly shows you which instances are eligible for Bring Your Own License conversion, making it easy to prioritize your optimization efforts for maximum ROI. Cloud license management, done well, has massive benefits. You can save time by eliminating manual license tracking processes. You can optimize spending by implementing our savings recommendations, which often pay for the solution. And you can reduce compliance risk associated with vendor audits. As one of our customers, cloud license management was a monster of a problem. Now it is easy. Why not request a personalized demo today to learn more about cloud license management capabilities and how to manage and optimize your cloud software costs effectively?